The young god Count Nomad asked me, where has your head been at these past few months? And I'm be real with you, bro. It's been in the books, bro. Like, I just been studying. I've been in school, bro. Like, but not the school y'all niggas be talking about, bro. I'm not talking about like I went to class. I signed back up for college. Nah, man. I'm talking about Forex, bro. I bought a course. I bought a Forex course. Just been studying that nonstop. After I released Nighttime and that project for Halloween, I was like, okay, now I'm gonna just lock myself in my house. I'm gonna cook up in the lab, and I'm just not gonna leave unless the money calling. That's it. That's really it. I'll be honest with you. I ain't had nothing else to name, bro. I'm not leaving the crib unless the money calling, bro. Like Drake said, bro, I get paid to leave the house. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about right now. You know what I'm saying? Right now, there ain't nothing to do outside. Everything's closed because of the corona. Corona's up. So it's gonna transition to a point where everybody's gonna start making money from home. You feel me? And I'm so glad I'm ahead of this at this point. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I know what I'm doing. And I feel like if you want to build yourself up to be a god, you want to make sure you're able to do whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate to y'all all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm a water sign. I'm a Scorpio. You know what I'm saying? The young god Apollo is a Scorpio. You feel me? I'm a water sign. Why is water so powerful? Because it adapts to any environment it finds itself in. And that's what I want all of you to do. I want all of you guys to be gods. You know what I'm saying? You can be anything. You know what I'm saying? You're formless. You know what I'm saying? Just like how water, you put it in a cup, it's going to be in the shape of that cup. You know what I'm saying? You put it in a star cup, now the water is going to be in the shape of a star. You know what I'm saying? It adapts to its environment. You know what I'm saying? I say this to myself all the time. You are a genius. You can do anything you put your mind to. The mind is a tool to be used. You know what I'm saying? I can do anything. You know what I'm saying? Meaning I am anything. And I am nothing at the same time, just like water, you know what I'm saying? Formless, I just adapt to my environment. I'm able to vibe and go with the flow. Whatever frequency I find myself in, whatever the frequency of the room is, I'm able to put myself into that frequency. And honestly, stocks has been teaching me about myself. It's been teaching me about frequencies, and it's crazy. You wouldn't think, you know what I'm saying, stocks is training my mind. That's really what it's doing. It's training my mind, you know what I'm saying? I'm realizing through stocks that I'm a very... Even though I seem as if I show no emotions, you know what I'm saying? I'm very emotional. Because when I'm trading these stocks, and you cannot put your emotions into this. Why can't you put your emotions into this? Because once you put your emotions into this, now what comes into play is greed. For example, I had a trade in right here. I had entered the market right here. I had put in $30 right here, right? It went up all the way up to here. In my trading plan at the moment, I'm supposed to take at 30 pips. I seen this and I was like, nah, it's gonna continue. What took over me was greed. So instead of taking, remember I said I put $30 into this. Instead of taking that $90, I ended up seeing this go down. And I was like, okay, it's going down. And then I ended up taking around this area for $50. So you cannot put that's one of the tips I have to give you when it comes to beginner investment tips. You can't put your emotions into this. Because if you put it's really training my mind, bro. Like really, close your eyes real quick and I want you to say, I wonder what my next thought is going to be. I don't know about you, but I was sitting there with a blank mind, waiting for the next thought to pop up. Meaning you are able to cease your thoughts. Some of you can't stop thinking. And because of that, your mind controls you. So that's why I like playing mind games. You know what I'm saying? I love playing, like, as I say, as a villain, I'd be the Joker. You know what I'm saying? The Joker is an absolute genius. You know what I'm saying? And he's right in his sense and his perspective. You know what I'm saying? The world treated him cruelly and he became what he became. You know what I'm saying? He's not wrong in wanting what he wants. You know what I'm saying? He just wants, basically, he's just showing chaos. He's showing what Gotham is at its core. They want to cover it up and make it look pretty, but nah, it's chaotic. And that's me too. I like to show people duality, yin and yang. There's always a bright side. You know what I'm saying? There's always a dark side. There's always a light and a dark. That's what I try to show people. You know what I'm I'm saying? And in this game, in Forex, it's not even a game, but if you look at it like a game, you know, it really is. You know what I'm saying? It's the same way. You have to look at the yin and the yang. You got to look and see at the buyers. What are the buyers thinking? What are the sellers thinking? It's a game between buyers and sellers. That's another investment tip I can give you. It's a game between buyers and sellers, bro. Dante 9K _ wanted to know investment and understanding the laws of manifesting. It's crazy. It's crazy. Anything that rises must fall. You know what I'm saying? Even the laws of the universe apply in stocks, bro. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. You know what I'm saying? Anything that falls will also rise. Anything that rises will fall. Look at that, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, it's crazy. You know, manifesting. One thing I would say is that just make sure you're on the same frequency as anything you want to manifest. So once like I said, I dropped Nighttime, and it's been doing great. You know, thank you all to everybody who's been listening to Nighttime and showing the support and everything. I'm at almost 200K plays on Spotify. They love it in Russia for some reason. I don't know, but it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's going crazy. So you know what I'm saying? After I dropped that, I was like, it's just Forex, You know what I'm saying? So this is explaining the laws of manifesting. So I was like, okay, I need to put myself on the same frequency as Forex, right? So one thing I know is that the first thing you do in the morning sets the preset for the rest of the day. So all you people who wake up in the morning and then you put your alarm to snooze, the longer you are snoozing is how long you procrastinate on doing anything in your life. You set the preset for the rest of the day. And then what you do every day is setting the preset for your life. It's all connected. So I was like, so I understood this principle. So I was like, okay, every morning when I wake up, I'm going to make sure that I watch a webinar. Now, I bought somebody's Forex course, Q Banks, look him up, he's inspiration. He lives in Miami too. Definitely going to link up with that boy one day. It's crazy because I met him on my birthday. Like I said, I'm going to get into this, but if you want to attract anything, all you have to do is be on the same frequency as what you want to attract. Like, this is the craziest story I can tell you. You know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna watch one of his webinars. He has like over 60 webinars, bro. Every morning I would wake up and I watch it in order. He has like 1 through, I don't know. This is like 1 through 60. You know what I'm saying? So I watch number 1, I watch number 2 the next day, watch number 3 the next day. Every single morning, the very first thing I did, setting the preset, was trade Forex. Fundamentally, but I was really just watching him explain Forex and learn about it. You know what I'm saying? So every single day I would be learning Forex, meaning I would be making progress in Forex, and I am also calling the frequency of a successful Forex trader into my life. Watching this successful Forex trader who, bro, this man has like 2 Lambo SVs or some shit. Like, this nigga bought a Ferrari, pissed up, bro. This nigga, you know what I'm saying? He's lit. You know what I'm saying? Definitely inspiration, you know what I'm saying? Blessed to Q Banks, you know what I'm saying? So every single morning I would watch this man. I would watch him explain Forex. I would watch him, you know what I'm saying, just explain, literally just explain Forex and give me investment tips, kind of how I'm giving you right now. And, you know what I'm saying, I'm seeing progress. I'm getting better every single day, you know what I'm saying? So like, literally all I would do is I would wake up, Forex, eat, sleep, Forex, eat, sleep, Forex. That's all I would do. Calling that frequency of Forex into my life, you know what I'm saying? I would go on YouTube instead of watching bullshit. What am I watching? I'm watching traders trade. See what I'm saying? So I'm going on YouTube, I'm watching traders. You know what I'm saying? I'm listening to audiobooks when it comes to trading. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, what else am I doing? Nothing else. I was doing literally eat, sleep, Forex, bro. Every single day, waking up to Q Banks webinar, listening to this man talk about Forex, adding the frequency of this successful Forex trader into my life. And you know what's crazy? On my birthday, I was like, I don't even know what I want to do, bro. Like, really, because like on birthdays, I don't really celebrate it like as if it's like something crazy or something I have to like make a big deal out of. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, like after I dropped on Halloween, dropped that project on Halloween, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just Forex. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Every day gonna be my birthday whenever I figure this out, right? So on my birthday, you know, I just hang out with my boys, you know what I'm saying? We go to Benihana's. And then we go to a bowling spot. And then as we're going to this bowling spot, like we just parked up, you know what I'm saying? It's me and my niggas, you know what I'm saying? All my niggas got nice cars, you know what I'm saying? I have my car too, but that's another story. I ain't gonna talk about it right now, you know what I'm saying? RIP to the Genesis, you know what I'm saying? But all my niggas got nice cars. We go to car meets together, you know what I'm saying? These are like my car niggas, you know what I'm saying? But these are my niggas though, you know what I'm saying? We're on the frequency of cars, you know what I'm saying? When we're on the road, we attract people that want to speed and cut up in the road too. So we pull up to this bowling arena. We see a bunch of cars pulling up. We're like, what the fuck? Is there a car meet going on? Pull up to this bowling spot. We see, I don't know, I think I seen a Tesla. I seen some other nice cars. We see this McLaren coming. And this nigga, like, he low as fuck. When you have a really low car, you have to avoid speed bumps because it's just really bad for your car. So, you know, he's dumb low. Like, this man almost touching the ground, you feel me? So he's like, yo, can you make sure I clear the speed bump? You know, it's kind of hard for him to see because once again, the nigga low as fuck on the ground. He don't really got the best view to see either. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we help him out. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. So we go into the bowling arena. We go into the bowling spot, and guess who I see? The same nigga that I bought this Forex course from. The same nigga the same Forex trader I have been watching every single day. In the morning, the very first thing I do, same person I've been listening to every single day. I've been hearing this nigga's voice every single day, watching this nigga trade, listening to him teach me Forex every single day. In a sense, this man has been a part of my life every single day. Once again, if you want to attract anything, you just gotta be on the same frequency as what you want to attract. And guess what? On my birthday, seems like my wish was granted. I am now on the frequency as a successful Forex trader. Because what are the chances? There's no such thing as coincidences. What are the chances of me going to this bowling spot at the same time as Q Banks? I didn't even want to bother him like that. I just wanted to touch him. I was like, yo, I just need that nigga to touch. I just need to touch this nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to make contact. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on the same frequency as this nigga. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta touch this nigga. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. I went over to him. I was like, yo, bless, bro. I'll take your course, bro. Like, I'm probably like, you're a great person for everything you do, all that other, you know what I'm saying? Like, he was doing this thing and I don't like interrupting people, you know what I'm saying? So I was trying to make it as quick and as natural as possible, you feel me? Just get my point across, you know what I'm saying, with a few words. So I was like, yeah, bless, bro, bless, you know what I mean? Because he's Jamaican too, you know what I'm saying? That's what Jamaican niggas say, you know what I'm saying? I said, bless, bro. You know what I'm saying? I touched him, you know what I'm saying? Fist bump, you know? He's like, he's like, thank you, bro. And I just walk away, and that was it. Crazy too, because the same day my brother had gave me this shirt for my birthday, and it was like it's the NBA YoungBoy shirt. It's a shirt. It's literally what I have on the back of this chair that I'm sitting on and what I be trading on with. So, and it says "Never broke again." That's what it says. And I was wearing that shirt the same day. So if you want to manifest anything, you just got to be on the same frequency as that thing. And it's really that simple. Like, it's really that simple. If you want to be on the same frequency as anything, you just really have to be on the same frequency as that thing. I wanted to be on the same frequency as a successful Forex trader. So I added that frequency to my life every single day. Better yet, it was the first thing I did every single day. That was my life. Then look what happens on my birthday. If you want to be a successful basketball player, for example, put a basketball in your room. That's it. Just put it in your room. You don't even got to go play ball yet. Just put a basketball in your room. You might end up maybe in your garage, just, you know, bouncing around a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Then maybe you might end up at a court. You know what I'm saying? You might, if you might start watching basketball highlights. You know what I'm saying? Might start watching basketball documentaries. You know what I'm saying? These are becoming your interests. These are things you're doing now. So now you're going to start attracting people that also do these things. You know what I'm saying? You're going to hear somebody talking and you're going to be like, oh, yeah, I just watched this, The Last Dance, the Michael Jordan documentary. And you're going to be like, oh, yeah, I just watched that too. Now you're attracting people that also are into basketball. You are adding this frequency slowly into your life. So that is the simplest way for me to explain it to you. If you want to understand the laws of manifesting, just put yourself on the same frequency as whatever it is you want to attract. Stop putting your ego into things. Start saying, whenever you say affirmations, say, I'm so happy and grateful now that my life is unfolding divinely perfect. It doesn't matter how I want my life to unfold. I want to make sure it's unfolding divinely perfect, how the universe set it out to unfold.